If you love adventure, today's video is for you. We're revealing 20 unique camping gadgets on Amazon that will completely transform your outdoor trips. From ingenious tools to futuristic gear, these gadgets make camping easier, safer, and way more fun. Stick around till the end. The last few picks are game-changing, must-have, and guaranteed to take your camping experience to the next level. Number 1. Rolling Grill Basket. The rolling grill basket makes outdoor cooking easier and more fun by allowing you to roast, flip, and evenly cook vegetables, seafood, or small meat pieces without losing them through the grates. Its rotating design ensures even heat distribution and hassle-free grilling. Perfect for backyard barbecues or camping trips, this basket saves time and keeps your food intact. Right now, it's a smart addition to your outdoor gear, giving you effortless grilling and delicious results every time. Number 2. FEEMIC 8x42 Monocular Telescope. The FEEMIC 8x42 Monocular Telescope lets you zoom in on distant landscapes, wildlife, or sporting events with crisp clarity. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or sightseeing adventures. Its ergonomic design makes one-handed use comfortable and steady, ideal for both beginners and enthusiasts. This handy telescope is a great outdoor companion, offering powerful optics and portability, making it a must-have gadget for anyone who loves exploring nature or capturing faraway details. Number 3. Chillbo Shwaggins. Inflatable couch. Relax anywhere with the Chillbo Shwaggins inflatable couch. A lightweight and portable solution for lounging outdoors. Perfect for camping, beaches, or backyard hangouts. It inflates quickly without a pump and offers comfortable seating for 1 or 2 people. Its durable, water-resistant material ensures long-lasting use, while the vibrant design adds style to any outdoor setup. This Black Friday, it's a convenient, fun, and practical way to upgrade your relaxation game wherever you go. Number 4. Telescopic Camping LED Lantern. The Telescopic Camping LED Lantern is a versatile, compact light source, perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency use. Its telescopic design allows easy storage, while the bright, energy-efficient LEDs illuminate tents, trails, or picnic areas for hours. Lightweight and durable, it's built to handle rugged outdoor adventures. Right now, it's a great deal for anyone looking to add reliable, portable lighting to their camping gear without taking up much space in their pack. Number 5. Fairwind Oversized Camping Chair. The Fairwind Oversized Camping Chair combines comfort, durability, and convenience for outdoor enthusiasts. With its extra-wide seat, sturdy frame, and cup holders, it's perfect for camping trips, tailgates, or backyard relaxation. Easy to fold and carry, it provides a portable seating solution without compromising on support. This chair is a must-have for anyone who enjoys extended outdoor activities, offering relaxation and practicality at a price that makes upgrading your camping setup an easy choice. Number 6. Lichamp LED Camping Lanterns. 4-pack. Illuminate your campsite with the Lichamp LED Camping Lanterns 4-pack, providing bright, long-lasting light for tents, trails, and outdoor gatherings. Compact and energy efficient, each lantern is lightweight, durable, and easy to hang or carry. Having multiple lanterns ensures your whole group stays well lit and safe during night activities. This set is a practical, cost-effective addition to any camping trip, making it easy to light up your adventures while keeping your gear organized and reliable. Number 7. Anorimst Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. The Anorimst Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker delivers clear, powerful sound for camping, picnics, or beach outings. Its rugged, water-resistant design withstands outdoor conditions, while long battery life ensures hours of music on the go. Compact and portable, it pairs easily with smartphones and tablets, making it perfect for any outdoor activity. Right now, it's a smart pick for anyone who wants durable, high-quality audio while enjoying nature or outdoor gatherings with friends and family. Number 8. Stanley Pour-Over Coffee Set. Brew perfect coffee anywhere with the Stanley Pour-Over Coffee Set, designed for camping, travel, or home use. Its stainless steel dripper and durable carafe ensure fresh, hot coffee without the need for bulky machines. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who don't want to compromise on quality. This set is a clever, practical gift or personal upgrade, providing a cafe-quality coffee experience no matter where your adventures take you. Number 9. A Nyanjita Bamboo Camping Cheese Board. The Nyanjita Bamboo Camping Cheese Board brings style and functionality to outdoor dining. Its smooth bamboo surface is perfect for serving cheese, charcuterie, or snacks, and the compact design makes it easy to carry on picnics or camping trips. Durable and eco-friendly, it adds a touch of elegance to any outdoor meal. Right now, it's a smart addition to your camping gear, offering convenience, sustainability, and a classy way to enjoy gourmet treats wherever you are. Number 10. Gyriitis 16-in-1 Camping Multi-Tool. The Gyriitis 16-in-1 Camping Multi-Tool packs essential outdoor tools into a compact, portable gadget. With a knife, bottle opener, screwdriver, saw, and more, it handles a variety of tasks for camping, hiking, or emergency use. Built from durable materials, it's reliable and convenient for any outdoor adventure. This versatile tool is a must-have for anyone who likes to be prepared, offering practical functionality in one small, easy-to-carry package that saves space and adds efficiency to your trips. Number 11. Otoland 16-Piece Camping Cookware Set. The Otoland 16-Piece Camping Cookware Set is a complete solution for cooking outdoors. With pots, pans, utensils, and nesting storage, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or tailgates. Durable, lightweight aluminum ensures even cooking and easy portability, while the non-stick surfaces make cleaning simple. This versatile set lets you prepare meals efficiently without sacrificing quality, making it an essential addition to any outdoor adventure, giving you convenience, organization, and the ability to cook like a pro anywhere. Number 12. Bird Rock Home Collapsible Prep and Grill Tub. The Bird Rock Home Collapsible Prep and Grill Tub is a space-saving, versatile solution for camping, picnics, or backyard grilling. Its foldable design allows easy storage and portability, while the durable material holds ice, beverages, or fresh ingredients securely. Perfect for prepping, chilling, or even washing dishes. It's a practical companion for any outdoor adventure. Right now, it's a smart addition to your gear, offering convenience, durability, and functionality in one compact, easy-to-carry tub. Number 13. Nice Sea Folding Camping Kitchen Station. The Nice Sea Folding Camping Kitchen Station provides a portable, organized space for cooking outdoors. With multiple shelves, a sturdy tabletop, and compact folding design, it's ideal for campgrounds, picnics, or backyard events. Setup is quick and cleanup is a breeze, giving you a functional kitchen wherever you go. This station makes outdoor cooking easier, more efficient, and enjoyable, offering a practical upgrade to your camping gear without taking up extra space in your vehicle or tent. Number 14. FreeHiker 27-Piece Camping Utensil Set. The FreeHiker 27-Piece Camping Utensil Set equips you with everything needed for eating and cooking outdoors. With forks, spoons, knives, tongs, and even a can opener, it covers every meal prep and dining scenario. Made from durable, lightweight materials, it's easy to pack and carry. Perfect for camping, hiking, or road trips, this complete set ensures you're prepared without clutter. It's a practical, space-saving solution for outdoor dining, and offering convenience, quality, and all-in-one functionality. Number 15. Lepwings Solar Camping Lantern 6,000 mAh. The Lepwing Solar Camping Lantern combines bright, adjustable LED light with a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery and solar charging for ultimate convenience. Perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency use, it illuminates tents, trails, or workspaces reliably. Lightweight, durable, and portable, it's easy to hang or place anywhere. With a smart Black Friday offer, it's a cost-effective way to keep your outdoor adventures bright, safe, and eco-friendly, giving you a reliable light source wherever you go. Number 16. Timber Ridge Folding Camping Chair. The Timber Ridge Folding Camping Chair delivers comfort, portability, and durability for outdoor enthusiasts. Its sturdy frame, wide seat, and cup holder make it perfect for long camping trips, tailgates, or backyard relaxation. Lightweight and foldable, it's easy to transport and store, making it ideal for any adventure. This chair is a practical upgrade for anyone who wants convenience and comfort outdoors, offering a reliable, comfortable seating solution that keeps you supported while enjoying nature or social gatherings. Number 17. T-Sun Rechargeable Camping Work Light. The T-Sun Rechargeable Camping Work Light is a versatile lighting solution for tents, workshops, or night activities. With adjustable brightness, rechargeable battery, and portable design, it provides reliable illumination wherever you need it. Durable and compact, it's easy to hang, stand, or carry along on trips. This practical tool ensures you're never left in the dark, making it a smart, cost-effective addition to your camping or outdoor gear for safe, bright, and convenient lighting anytime. Number 18. Elecom Nest Out Rugged 15,000 mAh Power Bank. The Elecom Nest Out Rugged 15,000 mAh power bank keeps your devices charged on the go, no matter the conditions. Built to withstand drops, water, and rough outdoor use, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or travel. Multiple USB ports allow charging for phones, tablets, and other electronics simultaneously. This power bank is a must-have for anyone who values reliability and portability, offering high-capacity, durable, and convenient charging. that ensures your gadgets stay powered during any adventure. Number 19. Hoto 3-in-1 Rechargeable Camping Flashlight. The Hoto 3-in-1 Rechargeable Camping Flashlight combines a torch, a lantern, and work light into one compact device. With bright LED output, adjustable settings, and long-lasting battery, it's ideal for tents, trails, or emergency kits. Rechargeable and portable, it eliminates the need for disposable batteries while delivering versatile lighting wherever you need it. A practical and efficient addition to your camping gear, it offers convenience, reliability, and multi-functionality that makes outdoor adventures safer and more enjoyable. Number 20. Homquen Camping Cooking Utensil Set. The Homquen Camping Cooking Utensil Set includes everything you need for meal prep outdoors: spatulas, tongs, spoons, and more. All made from durable, heat-resistant materials. Lightweight and easy to pack, it keeps your cooking organized and efficient. Perfect for camping, RV trips, or backyard grills. This set ensures you're always prepared for meals anywhere. A smart Black Friday pick, it's a practical, space-saving solution that combines convenience, quality, and functionality for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. These were the 20 unique camping gadgets on Amazon that make outdoor adventures easier, more fun, and more comfortable. Don't wait. Grab your favorites now and upgrade your camping experience today.